Hey everyone. Welcome back to channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more awesome home improvement tutorials. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform your space: laying sheet vinyl flooring. It's affordable, stylish, and durable, making it a top choice for homeowners and renters alike. Whether you're updating your bathroom, kitchen, or even your living room, laying sheet vinyl flooring is a project that anyone can do. No need to call in the pros, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro yourself. Section 1, Materials and Tools You'll Need. Before we jump in, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. Here's a quick rundown of the tools and materials. First up, of course, you'll need your sheet vinyl flooring. Measure your space before you buy so you get the right amount. A sharp utility knife to cut the vinyl. A tape measure to measure your space. A straight edge for accurate cuts. Double-sided tape or a recommended adhesive. This will help keep the vinyl in place. A roller to smooth out the vinyl and eliminate air bubbles. Some protective gloves and knee pads for comfort while working on the floor. Now that we have everything, let's jump into the installation process. Section 2, Preparing the subfloor. Before you even think about laying down the vinyl, you need to prepare your subfloor. Whether it's concrete, plywood, or an existing floor, make sure it's clean, dry, and free of any bumps or imperfections. Use a broom or vacuum to clear away all dust and debris. Any dirt left on the subfloor can affect how well the vinyl sticks. If you find any rough patches or bumps, grab some floor leveling compound and smooth it out. A smooth subfloor is key to ensuring your vinyl lays down evenly. Section 3, Measuring and Cutting the Vinyl. Alright, now it's time to measure and cut the vinyl. Take your tape measure and get the exact dimensions of your space. Unroll the vinyl and let it sit for a few hours to acclimate to the room temperature. This will prevent it from shrinking or expanding once you lay it down. Now, carefully cut the vinyl sheet to match the measurements of your floor. Use your straight edge to make sure the cut is as straight as possible. Pro tip: when cutting vinyl, always use a sharp utility knife. It'll make your cuts cleaner and prevent jagged edges. Section 4, Laying down the vinyl. Once your vinyl is cut, it's time to lay it down. Position the vinyl sheet carefully, making sure it fits into your space without any wrinkles. If you're using adhesive vinyl, peel back the protective backing slowly and carefully. Press down the vinyl as you go, starting from one end of the room and working your way to the other. Take your time with this step. It's all about making sure the vinyl fits snugly and evenly. Section 5, Rolling out the vinyl and securing it. Once your vinyl is in place, it's time to roll it out to get rid of any air bubbles. Grab your floor roller and go over the entire surface. Work your way from the center outwards to ensure an even, bubble-free surface. This also helps the adhesive bond better to the subfloor. If you're not using adhesive vinyl, use double-sided tape around the edges to secure it in place. Section 6, Trimming the edges. After the vinyl is laid down and secured, it's time to trim the edges. Use your utility knife to carefully cut along the perimeter of the room, ensuring a clean, straight edge. Make sure to leave a small gap between the vinyl and the wall. This allows the floor to expand and contract without getting damaged. Section 7, Final Touches. Now, let's make the edges look clean and polished. Use a trim or molding to cover the gaps along the walls. By adding baseboards or quarter-round moldings, you're not just hiding the edges, you're also adding an extra touch of style. Section 8, Maintaining your vinyl floor. Your new sheet vinyl floor looks fantastic. But don't forget, To keep it looking great, regular maintenance is key. Make sure to sweep or vacuum regularly to remove dirt and dust. And when it's time to mop, use a mild cleaner and a damp mop. Avoid harsh chemicals. Conclusion and recap. That's it. You've successfully laid down your own sheet vinyl flooring, and it looks incredible. Remember, the key is to take your time, measure carefully, and secure everything properly. Not only have you saved money by doing it yourself, but you've also created a fresh, new look for your home. So, what do you think? Ready to give it a try? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more DIY home improvement guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.